top 10 websites that feel illegal to know.
You can literally turn your cursor into almost anything with this site. Look at this. Anime, gaming, cartoon, even car-themed ones. You can preview everything live and download instantly. And the best part? No login required. Easy. If you go to this website, you can instantly play almost every game from your childhood consoles right in your browser. No downloads, no setup. You can even connect your controller, save your progress, and jump back in anytime like it's your own retro gaming vault. Easy. Type any topic into this website, and it creates an entire presentation in seconds. No designing, no formatting, just done. Follow and comment link for more such websites. Did you know there's a website that turns any emoji into aesthetic stickers instantly? Just search the emoji you want, copy the sticker, and use it anywhere. No login, no app, completely free. Easy. There's a site where you type in your birthday, and it pulls up the exact photo NASA's Hubble telescope captured that day. Crystal clear, downloadable in HD, and zero sign-up. So cool. One website. Every official car catalog you can think of, from modern Porsches to vintage classics. Download any of them in seconds. No login, no catch. Easy. Did you know there's a website where you can search any phrase, like, "I'm the one who knocks," and instantly watch the exact moment from movies or TV shows, making it perfect for memes, language learning, or rewatching iconic scenes? Comment free for more awesome websites like this. Your mechanic charges you $300 for a 30-second fix. This free site lets you tear apart a car engine from your phone. Multimeters, jump starters, full diagnostics. No sign-up needed. Part 9 is wild. Follow. A website with every trending sound effect on the internet, completely free. Browse, click download, and that's it. Follow and comment sound, and I'll DM you the link. Did you know if you go to this website, you can watch live TV from almost any country in the world? Just click a country, hand like USA, and instantly explore all their local TV channels live. Subscribe for more crazy websites and hidden gems online.